Hi, welcome to Barlo Motor Group in Clonmel. Here we've a 2020 Mercedes Vito 116. Now it looks gorgeous in dark metallic blue, and as you can see the van features the 4 roof rails on top. Inside we've our black cloth interior, 3 seats up the front, armrest for the driver. We've our multifunction steering wheel here, so radio phone controls up here. 6-speed gearbox, we have air conditioning. We also have our big screen in the middle, so we have our reversing camera comes in through that. We've our automatic headlights down here, and there's only 31,000 kilometers on this van. This van does feature the dual rear sliding doors, and it is shelved out inside. So there's shelving built in, but obviously this can be removed if it doesn't suit your needs. In through the back you can see the floor is ply lined, and again you can see the shelving, and I'll just show you the compartment on the driver's side now. So on the driver's side sliding door, this portion is sectioned off, so if you want to keep any tools or anything separate, it can be done through here. If you need any more information on this van, you can give us a call 052 6125 300. Thanks.